5 things you need to know about the PIC18-Q35 microcontroller family. 1. The PIC18-Q35 features a 128-element configurable logic block, an on-chip CLB peripheral that operates completely independently of the CPU. That means deterministic, jitter-free response times, no variability, critical for industrial, automotive, and safety-sensitive designs. And unlike FPGA or CPLD toolchains, there's no HDL experience required. Our MCC CLB synthesizer gives you a graphical drag-and-drop interface with built-in simulation so you can have custom logic running in minutes. Think of it as a CPLD with a free MCU included, smaller BOM, less board space, no external component. 2. Performance. A 64 MHz PIC, 18-core drives the PIC18-Q35, paired with a rich on-chip analog suite, a 10-bit ADC with computation, a 12-bit DAC, an operational amplifier, and dual comparators. That combination of logic capability and analog integration lets you consolidate more of your design onto a single chip. Fewer external components, simplified layout, and lower system cost. 3. Multi-voltage I/O. The PIC18-Q35 supports I/O voltages from 1.62 volts to 5.5 volts, which means it interfaces directly with both low-voltage and 5-volt legacy devices on the same board. No external level shifters needed. For mixed-voltage designs, that's a real bomb win. The family is available in 28 to 48-pin packages to fit space-constrained layout. 4. 4 independent DMA controllers handle data movement between peripherals and memory without touching the CPU, keeping it free for application tasks and reducing power consumption. The peripheral set also includes a UART with LN and DMX 512 protocol support for industrial and lighting networks, plus zero cross-detect I2C SPI, capture compare PWM modules, and hardware timers. Everything you need for a complete embedded control system on one chip. 5. Security and design support. PDID, peripheral disable and interface disable, permanently locks out programming and debug interfaces after deployment, protecting your firmware at the hardware level with no runtime overhead. For development, the PIC18-Q35 is fully supported in MPLAB X IDE and Visual Studio Code. The MCC CLB synthesizer provides a graphical interface, Verilog entry for advanced users, timing analysis, and hardware debug pin support. So you go from concept to running logic fast without specialized FPGA expertise. Ready to learn more? Visit microchip.com/PIC18-Q35 to download our datasheet code examples and the MPLAB code configurator plugin.